A massive IT outage is currently affecting computer systems worldwide. In Australia and Aotearoa, New Zealand, reports indicate computers at banks, media organizations, hospitals, transport services, shop checkouts, airports and more have all been impacted. Millions of Windows users across the globe are experiencing the blue screen of death, BSOD, error which is causing the system to suddenly shut down or restart. Microsoft Azure states that since approximately 21:56 UTC on 18 July, a subset of customers may experience issues with multiple Azure services in the central US region, including failures with service management operations and connectivity or availability of services. Microsoft said on 19 July that it is investigating a host of issues with Azure in the central US region, but users in India and globally are also raising complaints. Banks, airports, TV stations, hotels, and countless other businesses are all facing widespread IT outages, leaving flights grounded and causing widespread disruption after Windows machines have displayed errors worldwide. In the early hours of Friday, companies in Australia running Microsoft's Windows operating system started reporting devices showing blue screens of death, BSODs. Shortly after, reports of disruptions started flooding in from around the world, including from the UK, the Netherlands, and the US. TV station Sky News went offline, and US Airlines United, Delta, and American Airlines issued a global ground stop on all flights. Certain issues advisory regarding the Microsoft outage. Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, CERTIN, has issued a severity rating of critical for the incident. It has been reported that Windows hosts related to CrowdStrike agent Falcon sensor are facing outages and getting crashed due to recent update received in the product. The concerned Windows hosts are experiencing a blue screen of death, BSOD, related to Falcon sensor, said the team. The widespread Windows outages have been linked to a software update from cybersecurity giant CrowdStrike. Let's understand what does CrowdStrike Falcon do. It is an endpoint security solutions. Falcon is the CrowdStrike platform purpose-built to stop breaches via a unified set of cloud-delivered technologies that prevent all types of attacks, including malware and much more. Today's sophisticated attackers are going beyond malware to breach organizations, increasingly relying on exploits, 0 days, and hard-to-detect methods such as credential theft and tools that are already part of the victim's environment or operating system, such as PowerShell. CrowdStrike Falcon responds to those challenges with a powerful yet lightweight solution that unifies next-generation antivirus, NGAV, endpoint detection and response, EDR, cyber threat intelligence, managed threat hunting capabilities and security hygiene, all contained in a tiny, single, lightweight sensor that is cloud-managed and delivered. Union Minister of Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnav today said the government is in touch with the US tech giant Microsoft regarding the global outage that has affected multiple sectors across the world. Reason identified. The reason for this outage has been identified and updates have been released to resolve the issue. Microsoft outage, impact in India. The disruption in Microsoft's services have impacted industries worldwide including airlines, banks and others. Indian Airlines including SpiceJet, Akasha Airlines and Air India Express. The Microsoft cloud outage has resulted in flight cancellation and delays. We are currently facing a technical issue in providing updates on flight disruptions. Our team is actively working to resolve this issue. We regret for any inconvenience caused and will update you once the issue is resolved. Thank you for your patience and cooperation, SpiceJet said. By Taboola sponsored links. Indigo cancels over 200 flights, removes option to rebook claim refund. 10 banks, NBFCs faced minor disruptions, says RBI. Kaspersky calls Microsoft outage serious problem. Passengers stranded in Goa airport. July 19, 2024-19. Thiruvananthapuram International Airport issues warning. Thiruvananthapuram International Airport issued a warning, saying that the outage was affecting flights across India and that flyers should get in touch with their respective airlines for more information. CrowdStrike has since reverted the problematic changes, but many systems remain affected. The advisory includes specific steps for users to mitigate the issue if their systems are still crashing. 1. Boot Windows into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment. 2. Navigate to the c:/windows/system32 /drivers/CrowdStrike directory. 3. Delete the file matching the pattern C:00000291*.sys. 4. Reboot the system normally.